Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Lizzie.
Hello, Lizzie. So today we're going to have a small test, a speaking test, talking about some of the topics we covered in the past few lessons. Okay? Do you remember when we had a lesson about this picture?
Because there is a time I don't go to school.
You did not come to this class? Okay. Well, I'm just going to ask you a few questions about this picture. Okay?
Yes.
So, can you tell me what are the kids doing on the stage?
I think the kid is sing a song.
Okay, they're singing, yeah. And can you tell me who is the woman in front of the stage?
I don't know. Who is it?
This woman, yeah. Okay, can you tell me what do you think her job is?
I think she's I don't know. This is
Okay, no problem.
the job.
Okay, maybe a teacher or something. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions about you because I know you weren't here for this lesson. So, can you tell me what is your weight?
My weight?
Your weight?
I don't know. Can you repeat please?
What is your weight?
Weight?
How heavy you are?
Or how heavy are you?
I'm 42.
42
42
kilos, okay. And do you know how tall you are?
But I told 1 meter and 50
Okay, 1 meter and 50
centimeters.
centimeters, okay. And last question, can you tell me what did you do yesterday?
I want go with my family to shopping and play with my friend.
Okay. So, can you please tell me about your favourite teacher?
My favorite teacher is my head teacher.
Okay.
Her name is Khan. She's my math teacher. She has long black hair and full lips. She is slim. She is very hard to please, but sometimes she is easy going to us. She is friendly with another teacher and kind with people. She inspires us and we have motivation to study. She never angry when I come late. I remember one day I was sick at home. She was very busy, but she asked and visited me about my health. Next day, I was not sick and could go to school. I think thanks to her motivation, I recovered very quickly. I respect my teacher very much.
Okay, very good. Okay, good job. Thank you very much.